Welcome back. This time we have the Honor X6b here in midnight black. This is the 128 GB, 6 GB version, and let's get to unboxing it. We have the phone right here, a jelly case, literature, SIM ejection tool, 1.2 amps, 5 volts or 9 volts or 11 volts at 3.2 amperes max. A to C. This is the midnight black version. The very prominent thing here that's different from the old X6b is the perimeter of the camera. So now it has this nice uh, metal frame around it. We have a fingerprint reader here, volume up and down. On top, we have a microphone hole, SIM tray, and I believe that size is a SD card slot. USB Type-C, headphone jack, and speaker grill over there, and microphone as well. Okay, so we're into the device now. You know what this actually reminds me of? Original X9, the X9. So yeah, we'll get to learn more about the X6b soon here on the channel. See you guys later. Bye bye.